And we now get you details of Cyclone Fengal that is set to bring heavy rainfall across Tamil Nadu's northern and delta districts and Puducherry as it makes landfall between Karaikal and Mahabalipuram. Likely this afternoon. Now the cyclone has led to a weather change impacting flights to and from Chennai. The IMD has also forecast heavy to very heavy rainfall in Chennai, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram and several other areas. This report filed by my colleague Aneri, who has been on the ground. Let's take a look.
As Cyclone Fengal will be making its landfall between Mahabalipuram and Puducherry, we have been seeing how massive rains, very heavy rainfall is being witnessed in various districts of Tamil Nadu and also in Puducherry. Well, as you can see right now, we are reporting from Mahabalipuram. As you can see, high tides, and also at the same time we see that fishermen have been asked not to venture out in the sea, and that is the reason why you see no one venturing in the sea right now. As you can see, very high tides being witnessed here as Cyclone Fengal will be making landfall at around 5:30 p.m. in the evening today, and also at the same time many areas have been issued red alert, and also at the same time SDRF teams have been deployed on ground at various locations where it is going to impact, and also SDRF teams have been also put on ground where we see that NDRF teams have been put on standby, and also massive high tides which we are witnessing right now. As you can see, this is the impact of Cyclone Fengal which will be making landfall between Mahabalipuram, as we are reporting from Mahabalipuram, and Cyclone Fengal will be making its landfall between Mahabalipuram and Puducherry. Well, now the state government has also issued red alert, and also at the same time the schools and colleges have been shut because of the heavy to very heavy rainfall in various districts which have been witnessed in the past 24 hours. And also we'll have to see how this Cyclone Fengal will be making its impact. Well, gusty winds have also been we have been seeing here at Mahabalipuram. This is Aneri Shah with Journalist for Republic TV.
Time now for